In this video, I'll be showing you how I created this handmade lettering design using paper, pencil, eraser, markers, and a ruler. Let's get started. Step 1. Set up your medium. In this case, I have a regular cardstock sheet of paper, 8.5 by 11 inches, and all I'm doing is I am cutting it in half. Step 2. Draw some guides and sketch your text. Using a pencil, I made some preliminary guides and I sketched out my quote. Here I'm trying to keep in mind spacing, rhythm, harmony, and other aspects that I think will contribute to the overall lettering piece. Step 3. Trace your type. Using a marker, I trace my type, and that'll set me up for coloring. I'm trying to be as careful as possible, trying to keep the size of the letters about equal. But later on, I'll go over it and I'll trace it with another black marker. Step 4. Erase the pencil. Make sure to erase your pencil marks before you begin to color, or else the pencil will be visible depending on what types of coloring materials you use. Step 5. Make a drop shadow. Using a pencil and a ruler, I made a drop shadow with an angle to the right hand side of the paper, and I began to trace my drop shadow with a marker and erased the pencil underneath. Step 6. Apply color. I'm using a blue and yellow color scheme because they are complementary colors on the RGB color wheel. First, I'm painting in my drop shadow blue. After, I will paint my background yellow. And lastly, I will give my text a white outline. Honestly, this part took the longest. That is because I was using such a thin marker and it didn't cover a lot of area. But the reason I went with this marker is because I really like the texture once you fill up a large space. Step 7. Color the background. Now, this time I'm using yellow paint and a paintbrush to cover up more surface area, and that's going to make painting the background faster. I avoided the edges as much as I could because I have a yellow marker that would allow me to fill in those tight spaces. Step 8. Outline your text. I'm using a white acrylic marker to outline each letter individually. This will make the quote pop out of the page and bring emphasis to the quote. Step 9. Finalize the text. Go over your text with a black marker to finalize it, and you'll be done. And there you have it. That was it for this video. Please like and subscribe. And if you want to see more daily content, follow me on Instagram. Have a good one.